Welcome to our channel, where we are dedicated to providing valuable information and insights on personal finance and saving money. In today's video, we will be sharing 10 tips to help you save money and reach your financial goals. Create a budget. The first step in saving money is to have a clear understanding of your income and expenses. A budget allows you to track your spending, identify areas where you can cut back, and set financial goals. Cut unnecessary expenses. Take a close look at your expenses and see where you can cut back. This could include things like cable TV, subscriptions, and memberships that you don't use or need. Consider cutting back on luxuries like eating out, buying new clothes, or getting expensive haircuts. Use cash instead of credit cards. Using cash can help you stay within your budget and avoid impulse buys. When you pay with cash, you can see the money leaving your wallet, which can make you more mindful of your spending. Shop around for better deals. Compare prices and shop around for the best deals on everything from groceries to insurance. Use coupons and take advantage of sales and discounts. Save automatically. Set up automatic savings transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. This will help you save money without even thinking about it. Avoid impulse buys. Make a list before you go shopping and stick to it. When you see something you want, wait a day or two before buying it. Often, you'll find that you no longer want it. Cook at home. Cooking at home is not only healthier, it's also cheaper than eating out. You can save a significant amount of money by cooking at home instead of eating out. Avoid late fees and penalties. Pay your bills on time to avoid late fees and penalties. This will help you avoid unnecessary expenses and keep your credit score in good standing. Invest in yourself. Invest in your education and skills. It will pay off in the long run. By learning new skills, you'll be able to earn more money and be more valuable in the job market. Find ways to earn extra money. Look for ways to earn extra money, such as freelancing, taking on a side job, or renting out a spare room on Airbnb. These extra income streams can help you reach your financial goals faster. Remember, saving money is a process and it takes time. Be patient and persistent, and remember to set realistic goals. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Leave a comment below with any specific questions or concerns you have about saving money. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.